My face was so ugly, like, you don't want to see it. Hey beautiful people, how are you doing? You are welcome to my YouTube channel. You are welcome to my Facebook page. If this is your first time of watching my video, you are welcome. If you have already watched my video and you like it, please do not forget to like this one and also click on the subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video like this, you will be the first person to watch it. Thank you guys for watching, and for my returning subscribers, thanks for watching my video and I do love you guys. So for today's video, I will be sharing this product with you. I got this face cream when I buy the cream. So the face cream was supposed to lighten up my face and give me that beautiful glowing skin. But when using this product, I found out that is not what they wrote on the website. Face cream did not actually do what they say it would do. This face cream make my face to look like 10 years older than my age. It makes me to look like a old woman. And my face was so ugly, like, you don't want to see it. So this face cream is a no. Maybe because I have oily skin on my face, that's why this cream did not work for me according to the instruction. But I used this cream to the last to make sure that this cream will do what they say it will do. So this one is the face cream and you are to apply this on your face. So the smaller one is a face gel. You have to apply it on your face too. And this one here is the balm. Okay, you have to apply this on your face. No result. So this is how the face cream is, and you have to apply it on your face like this. I applied the face cream on my face morning and night. Morning and night is a no. It didn't work for me. Instead, it gave me pimples, it gave me acne, it gave me a lot of dark spots on my face. Cream is a no for me. For people who have oily skin, problematic skin like acne, do not go for this face cream, please. You can buy the cream, the glycerin, the soap, other things they have, but do not buy the full set. Do not waste your money for the face cream because the face cream is not going to give you nothing on your face. Do not waste your money. Okay, for me, I bought everything, but the face cream is a no for me. That's why I'm doing this video. And if you have not tried this product before, go get it and try it. But if you do have the same skin like me on the face, do not buy the face cream. You can get the cream, and the glycerin is really nice. You can get the the soap and the scrub, everything. Just get that, but do not buy the face cream if you do have oily skin on your face. So that's all I have to say about this video, and thanks for watching this video to the end, and I will see you on my next video. And do not forget, drop your comment on the comment section if you've used this product before and this face cream has worked for you before, or you are using it now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.